Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In Power Query, a common challenge users face is handling change type errors that occur when the data type of a column is not compatible with the values it contains. This can happen for various reasons, such as incorrect data formats, leading or trailing spaces, or mismatched data entries. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to identify and resolve these errors. Step-by-step tutorial, removing change type errors in Power Query. Step 1, load your data into Power Query. 1. Open Excel or Power BI and load your data into Power Query. 2. Navigate to the Data tab and select Get Data to import your dataset. Step 2, identify change type errors. Once your data is loaded into Power Query, you may notice that some columns show an error icon, a yellow triangle with an exclamation mark. This indicates that there are issues with the data types. 1. In the Power Query editor, look for columns with errors. 2. Click on the error icon to see details about the error. Step 3, transform your data. To resolve change type errors, you can apply a few transformations. Here are some common techniques. 1. Trim witty space, remove any leading or trailing spaces that could be causing the error. 2. Replace errors, replace error values with a default value, like null or 0. 3. Change data type, explicitly change the data type to the correct one. 4. Filter out errors, remove rows with errors entirely. Example code to remove change type errors. Let's assume we have a column named sales amount that we expect to be of type currency, but it has some errors due to incorrect formatting. Here's how to handle it in M code. Explanation of the code. Source: this line loads the data from an Excel table named sales data. Trimmed columns: this step trims any witty space from the sales amount column. Replaced errors: this replaces any errors in the sales amount column with null. Changed type: this explicitly changes the data type of the sales amount column to currency. Filtered rows: this step filters out any rows where sales amount is null, ensuring that only valid entries remain. Step 4, load the cleaned data. Once you have applied the necessary transformations to clean your data, you can load it back into Excel or Power BI. 1. Click on the Close and Load button in the Power Query editor. 2. Choose how you want to load your data, example as a table or directly into the data model. Conclusion: by following these steps, you can effectively remove change type errors in Power Query. Remember to always validate your transformations to ensure that the data meets your expectations. You can adapt the provided example code based on the specific errors and data types in your dataset. Happy data cleaning!